What a good day, Ms. Moira. We are Group 5 discussing about the regenerative agriculture in Nestle, specifically Nestle Coffee Farm in the Philippines. Of abundant harvest. Well, it is the healthy soil. It is Arnold Tabir who practicing regenerative agriculture since 2019 in Nestle Coffee Farm. But what is regenerative agriculture? Regenerative agriculture ay isang paraan ng pagsasaka na nais may balik, protektahan at lalong mapasigla ang lupa, tubig at natural ecosystem.
Let's discover how the Nestle model brings regenerative agriculture to life through 5 pillars: biodiversity, water security and quality, soil health, diverse cropping systems, and livestock integration, collective and landscape action.
Ang regenerative agriculture ay isang paraan ng pagsasaka na nais maibalik, protektahan at lalong mapasigla ang lupa, tubig at ang natural ecosystem dito.
Let us know the science and technology of Nestle Regenerative Agriculture Farm.
At pag hindi natin ito ibalik, makakaapekto ito sa susunod na harvest.
The main pillar of regenerative agriculture, biodiversity, collective, and landscape action is the Nescafe Plan in Philippines. Help coffee farming, growth diversity crops, and manage water sustainable to support the environmental and their livelihood. Water supply and policy. The Nestle Water is worked to protect water resources through strategic irrigation, digital monitoring, and organic biological approach.
Health. Arable and land healthy soil are crucial for food production. In order to have a healthy soil, we need to practice crop rotation, mulching, organic fertilization, and minimizing tillage. Collective and landscape action. Regenerative agricultural practices protect endangered natural resources by regulating common land use. Reforestation project and creating green corridors. These practices benefits farmers, communities, and profitability and reduce emissions, benefiting not just farmers but entire landscape.
Nescafe Plan 2030 accelerate the adoption of regenerative agriculture for investing over $1 billion Swiss francs to train and support coffee farmers.
Maraming practices ang regenerative agriculture na tumutulong ma-improve ang soil health at biodiversity. But in Nestle, we teach 4 common practices of regenerative agriculture. There is composting, intercropping, agroforestry, and cover crops.
Composting. By using compost, farm waste and reduce and finds goods use contributing and fertility with essential for good soil health. Compost can be made by mixing organic matter such as grass contains leaves or steam, allowing decomposition into farm soil in a PL or containers. So, ang pag-compost mao ang pag-process sa mga organic sa basura. Paingon sa yuta, puno po ni sa sustansya ug makagamit kini sa maayong paagi sa paglambo ug sa katambok sa yuta.
Second is intercropping, the practice of growing 2 or more crops simultaneously. Intercropping is a useful way for farmers to diversify incomes. It maximizes the use of land and other resources and increases soil health while contributing to climate resilience. The third one is agroforestry. Agroforestry involves planting large-shade trees around a farm to act as a natural barrier that protects it from wind and rain and helps preserve biodiversity. Palkatay, pil-ipil, and fruit trees such as langka and avocado are commonly used trees on the Philippine farm.
Cover crops. Planting cover crops protect the soil. It also helps and biomass that can increase soil organic matter and thus soil carbon sequestration. A good example of cover crops is peanut grass, Araches pentio, an ideal option for its efficiency in nitrogen fixation. So, ang pagtanom og pag-cover sa crops usa ka mapuslan nga magsalipod sa mga yuta, gikan sa erosion ug makapugong siya sa mga sagbot. Ang mga tanom makadugang po ni sa biyamos sa yuta ug makadugang po ni siya sa organic ug makaunlad struktura sa yuta.
Economic impact. So, ang Nescafe Plan sa Pilipinas mao ang nag-promote sa usa ka regenerative agriculture model para sa coffee farming. Nakikipagtulungan ang Nestle sa mga farmers, communities, local governments ug sa katong mga kauban para maprotektahan ang lupa, tubig at biodiversity na itaguyod sa pang-ekonomiyang sustainability na produksyon ng kape.
Nestle aims to support supply chain workers and families through financial support schemes in Indonesia, Mexico, and Cote, promoting higher incomes for coffee farmers and addressing poverty in cocoa farming families.
We at Nestle recognize that the best way to keep our promise of good food, good life, is to equip our farmers with the best knowledge in agriculture.
Nakapagtayo kami ng bahay, nakabili ng additional parcel o farmland. Wala akong kahit isang pulgadang pagsisisi. May panahon pa para maiwasan natin mawalan ng malusog na lupa na pwedeng pagtaniman ng mga anak natin at sa mga susunod pa nating mga henerasyon. Sana sa mga kapwa ko magsasaka, alagaan natin ang ating mga lupa para alagaan din tayo nito pabalik.